Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Vaishnavi and you're watching Wonders of Creations. As Raksha Bandhan is around the corner, and for today's video I will be sharing this DIY gift card which is really easy to make. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I will be using a A4 sheet thick color paper, and next I'm folding it at 9 centimeter, and next leaving about 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter I'm folding it twice. Next, follow these steps as shown in the video. Now, leaving about 1 centimeter, remove the excess paper. Moving on, let's make the pop out. For this, here I will be using this 200 rupees note that I had, and now mark 2 points, leaving about 1 centimeter, and next make 2 cuts on 2 points, leaving about 1.5 centimeters, and trim out the excess as shown in the video. Now flip the card on the wrong side, which is the front part, and glue the ends as shown in the video. Here I'm using this white tacky tape. If you want the product details, I will link it down in the description box. Please check out that. Instead of this white tacky tape, you can also use the white glue or white paper glue. But make sure that you have to glue only the end part of this folding. Make sure that you have at least 1 centimeter space so that you can insert the paper or a card. This is how it's supposed to be popped out as soon as you open the card. Moving forward, here I'm using this 9 by 15 centimeter strip paper and stick that as shown in the video. And here we're done with the body of the part, and next comes my most favorite part, which is decorating this envelope with some different elements. Here I'm using this print on print papers or design papers. You can use multicolored paper, form sheets. It's totally up to you. You can be creative. On the front side of the envelope, I decided to make a shaker. So here I made a frame out of a design sheet, and then here I'm using this transparent sheet. I will link the product details in the description box. You can check them out. Next, using some white sticky tape, here I'm sticking this transparent sheet on this designed frame. Next, take the frame that we just made out of transparent sheet. Here I'm gluing double-sided tape on it. Next, here I'm using some shaker elements, which are sequence stones. Next, here I'm using some tag sheets. You can use some quotes, messages, you can even add your own pictures. You can be creative in decorating this. And guys, if you want to customize such amazing gift cards for this Raksha Bandhan, you can customize them from my store, which is craftmypaper.in. I will link the product details and like store details in the description box. Please check out that. And here is the end result. Hope you like it. If you, then do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel Wonders of Creations. And I will catch you guys in my next brand new video. Until then, take care.